Ẹ káàbọ̀ sórí ìkànnì ẹ̀kọ́ Yorùbá. Ẹ máa bá wa kálọ.
Welcome. If you are already participating in this course sequentially or you intend to, and you have not watched the first episode, which is number 1, alphabet, please do so, in order to derive the benefit of a complete understanding of the topic in this episode. Also, remember to subscribe to the channel for special benefits, such as prompt notification of new study materials, access to assess your completed exercises and privilege to receive complimentary personalized interactive practice materials. Lesson 2. Consonants.
Ẹ̀kọ́ kejì, àwọn kọ́nsọ́náǹtì.
Yoruba alphabet consists of consonants and vowels. Consonants are letters that are used in combination with vowels to form words, which are combined to form phrases and sentences. They are meaningless by themselves, except the letters
Mi,
and
ní,
both of which can bear tone marks and sit by themselves as syllables amidst a word.
ní,
Can also stand alone as a word. They are also known as syllabic M and N. This we would look closely at when we discuss tones and syllables. There are 18 consonants in Yoruba. They are
bí, dí, fí, gí, gbì, hí, jí, kí, lí, mí, ní, pí, rí, sí, ṣí, tí, wí, yí.
In Yoruba language, consonants can be at the beginning of a word or part of the mix in the middle of a word, but never at the end of a word, except N, which completes the pair of 5 of the 7 non-nasal vowels to form nasal vowels, which can validly sit at the end of a word. This we would look at in details when we discuss vowels. We are going to look at how consonants begin words in combination with random vowels in 2-letter words, and how they behave in the middle of 3-letter words surrounded by random vowels. Some of the letters bear tone marks, which we would discuss in Lesson 4. You will get very familiar with them as time goes by. The examples in this section show how consonants begin words in 2-letter words. They pair up with vowels to form words which are combined with other words to form phrases and sentences. Listen carefully to each part, from the spelling part to the spelt word and up to the application of the word in phrases and sentences, so as to experience how they are built up. Also, pay attention to how consonants work with vowels in the different words that make up the phrases and sentences. Repeat after the prompt several times until your presentation is as close as possible to the samples. The more frequently you practice, the better you would keep getting until you achieve perfection. In addition to understanding word composition, this would also enable you to keep getting more familiar with the pronunciation of the letters and words, and consequently start building your own vocabulary bank.
Bí, a, ba, wọ́n ba. Dí, ẹ́, dẹ, mo dẹ pàkúté. Fí, í, fi, fi sápò. Gí, á, ga, igi náà ga. Gbí, ẹ́, gbẹ, ó ti gbẹ. Hí, hé, he, a he àwọn ọsàn. jí ẹ́ jẹ mo jẹ àgbàdo kí ọ kọ ó kọ ìwé kan lí ọ lọ a lè lọ mi ọ mọ ìkòkò márùn-ún ní há nà ó nà án pí á pa iná rí há ra fọwọ́ ra á sí ọ sọ kí ni o sọ ṣí é ṣe iṣẹ́ díẹ̀ tí á ta oyin ta mí wí ó wò wò mí yí í yí yí padà
In this section, you will see how the consonants fit right into the middle of three-letter words. Just like the previous section, listen carefully to each part as they develop. Remember to practice them by repeating after the prompts, like you did in the previous section.
A B O abo ológbò A D A èdè Yorùbá I Fi Ẹ́ ìfẹ́ dára I Gi, I, igi, igi mángòrò. Ọ, gbi, ha, ọgbà, ọgbà náà tóbi. I, ì, á, ìhà, ìhà ń dùn mí. Ọ, jí, á, ọjà, ọjà oúnjẹ. I, kí, é, ike, ike pupa. I, lí, ú, ìlù, ìlù mẹ́rin. Ó, mí, í, omi, omi tútù. I, ní, á, iná, iná ńlá. Ọ, pí, á, ọ̀pá, ọ̀pá gígùn. Ẹ, rí, ú, ẹrù, ẹrù kékeré. É, sí, ó, èso, èso méje. Ẹ, ṣí, ọ́, ẹ̀ṣọ́, pé ẹ̀ṣọ́. Ọ, tí, í, ọtí, ọtí nìyí. I, wí, é, ìwé, ìwé méjì. I, yí, ọ́, iyọ̀, iyọ̀ funfun.
The word of the day.
Orí,
Head. The sentences of the day.
Orí wà lókè ọrùn.
The head is above the neck.
Ọrùn wà lábẹ́ orí.
The neck is below the head. The proverb of the day.
A kì í fá orí lẹ́yìn olórí.
One does not shave a head in the absence of the owner. This means one does not settle a matter in the absence of the person most concerned. Hope you learned one or two things. You may pause the video to write down the exercises. Also, you may send a recording of your performance of the exercises to the teacher via email if you would like an assessment of your completed exercises. Have fun. Till next time when we shall be discussing nasal and non-nasal vowels. Bye for now.
Títí di ọjọ́ mìíràn, ọjọ́ ire, ire o.